Hey creatives, I have 3 items that you can easily sew to get Christmas presents ready or just gifts for every occasion. I hope you'll stay tuned because I'll have links and some bonus at the end. Hey everybody, so I have 3 videos I'm going to connect you with that will help you if you have a desire to do some handmade gifts this year. So the first one is going to be this topper. It's a hexagon. I use it as a placemat. And the name of the people that helped me do this was Tamaras Joy table topper. I'll have the links in the bottom and I'll have a thing here to show you exactly who it is. But it's real easy and I am not perfect. If you've watched any of my videos, you know I am not perfect. But here's my piece that I did, and it came out really nice. We use it as placemats. Plus I have a video that I'll link at the end about making a placemat. So I'm just going to leave this here because it keeps the light from shining back on you. All right, let's go to the next one. Number 2 is hair ties. Now I only have a few hair ties here because I cut my hair and so I don't have as many. I was selling them. I did really well with them. And this one is done the way Jess Oklaroots, I'll have her link in the bottom. She shows you how to do it with your hair ties. I use elastic and stick it in, but I wasn't really fond of doing this connection here. It just kind of scrunched up, especially with the fabric that I was using. So the really great one was, I'll have a link for it that I really liked. It's called a burrito one, and it's done really easy. Just take your time. But as a bonus, now remember my hair is really thin, so this was thin and I decided to try putting a zipper in it. I'm gonna link you to the person that helps with that. And those that have a really big scrunchie and they have thick hair, this would be great because you could keep a couple of bucks in here. You could put your ID in here, and that's a great little gift. Man, you know, sewing is not that, it's really just taking your time and going slow. And the videos out nowadays just make it so much easier. You can just pause the video, take it step by step. It's great. So here's the other one I wanted to show you. I do embroidery, and there's an embroidery library that can walk you through doing a rope bowl. I've done, look at this one. This is one that I've made that was after I've done it a couple of times. You use cotton rope and you put it into your sewing machine, and just the way you hold it as it sews, it really comes out really nice. And Embroidered Library has a tutorial that'll show you when do you stop and get it set up to put into your embroidery machine. Now I wanted to make this DIYs very easy, so you know, I'm not sure if everybody has a way to embroider, but look at how they come out. It's cute. It's really cute. Now this bowl I took apart several times. I don't know if you could pick it up on camera, but I had to take it apart, put it together, take it apart, because I wasn't doing very well. And you see how it pops up like that? Some of them do that, not all of them. And you can see the differences in what kind of rope you get. You can get, this is clothesline from a hardware store. It's really easy. You can get them thin, you can get them thick. Just try it. They have little ones. You try it real quick and do a coaster. Now this is one I started, and I'm going to show you something. You see how it's puckering? And it does have a lip on it because I use this, as I have a coaster that I made with cork on my embroidery machine, and this sits on my craft table, and that's where I put my stuff and absorbs all the liquid. It's really cool. But anyway, so when you do a rope bowl, here's the trick. Don't do this part, the center, when you start really tight. Because if you do it really tight, that's what makes it bubble in the middle. So you keep it pretty loose in there. Not so loose that you see through it, but don't tight. I remember doing it so tight and I got this bubble in here. I don't know if I can pick it up for you. It just causes a concave here. I think you can see that. It's concave here. Yeah, so it's really tight. There are some people that say you take an iron and that does work to a degree, but the real trick is to keep it loose. Don't tighten it so tight when you first start out. And then there's different ways to end. You can end like this with the roll, or you can have it where it has a hook on it and you can put it up. I made one of these like this, full size, and then embroidered on it, and it's like a hot plate. These are really cool. I think they're cool gifts. Anyway, let's put these here so you have something nice to look at. I think that's it. So the last thing is a placemat. Now I didn't make the placemat, but I'm gonna I'm gonna link you to a video of the placemat I'm gonna make for the holidays, and I hope that this has been inspiration for you. And if nothing else, just check them out. The hardest thing will be if you try to do a bowl. I really think the hardest thing is the bowl, unless you're challenged with the hexagon one. And like I said, we use the hexagon one because it's just me and my husband. We use these as placemats. They're nice and big. They look very festive. I like it. I like it. I hope you like it too. And enjoy your holidays. This is the week of Thanksgiving. And I'm just going to say happy Thanksgiving. I'm so thankful for you guys to be here. If you've enjoyed this video and it's given you any inspiration, I hope you give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed and you wish to see more craziness, could you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell? I appreciate that. I also want to know in the comment section, what do you think of the unicorn? I love it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.